About $250 on options, as you can see right here, and then $1,200 on futures on 2 different accounts, as you can see right there. So beautiful day. The first 2 things I always do in the morning is 1, chug a glass of water. Number 2, give thanks to the Most High, and then I'm ready to get my day started. So right now it's almost 8 a.m. I usually like to get a little bit of movement in the morning before I hop on the charts, whether that's just walking outside or literally just taking a walk downstairs in my building to the coffee machine, get myself a nice espresso. It's 46 degrees out and I'm from Florida, so I don't do cold. So I'm gonna choose to stay inside. I'm just gonna go get an espresso from downstairs, and then I'll hop on the charts and get started with the day. So it's currently 8:38. I just finished up my game plan for the morning and going into the day. I always use TradeZella. Shout out TradeZella. I'm not affiliated at all, but it's the best journaling platform by far. I get my plan to the group, as you can see in morning watch list. We give it every single morning, and I gave my futures levels as well for NQ and ES. I might start doing gold as well, just to give people who trade gold some levels there. And that's it. It's about 8:38. We got about less than an hour till market open. So for now, I'll just chill. My girl just woke up, hang out with her a little bit, and then hop on the charts around 9:15. We'll get started trading for the day. It's currently 9:20 a.m. Making some breakfast. Market opens in 10 minutes. Actually did get into a trade this morning before market opened, straight from the watch list. Below 25,500 on NQ just happened to happen pre-market, so took some trims holding some runners. I'll show you all that position right now. So I always have to have a 5-minute close below our level, take the retest. This is exactly what happened. I did take some trims already, as you can see. Next PT is down here at 25,418. We'll see what happens come market open in 10 minutes.
Order filled.
Bang. Daily profit target hit. Nice way to start the morning. Done with futures. So this first trade I took, 25,500 break and retest, perfect on the money, straight from the watch list in the morning, sent to the team. Just gonna focus on options now. Watch the video for this gap fill, and then we have 2 other plays that we're watching on the options side, but no more futures trades. We'll keep the futures up. Always got to monitor the market. That's a nice way to start the morning. So it's 11:15 right now. I just got off the call with the team. We live traded this morning. Nice breakdown of 25,500 on NQ. Super nice trade. We took that off open, so we didn't take any more futures trades, but we did, and we're still currently in this CoreWeave trade. And I'll show you guys right here. We took this 82 break and retest. We're still holding. It's been consolidating all morning. It's not fun when you're in an options trade during consolidation, because if you're not familiar with options, there's things called Greeks that control how options move. One of them is theta. Theta measures how much the option decays over a period of 1 day. So when you're consolidating, especially when you're trading an option that expires in 1 day or 1 week, that theta is going to catch up to you quick. Anyways, we've been in this trade, this 82 break and retest, for a long time now. We want to see 76. This has nothing but room. CoreWeave's been very weak on the daily chart. There's nothing but room, really down into 65, but for a 1 day move, we just want to see around 76. So in this CoreWeave trade, as you can see, we're just in a big fucking pennant. We're consolidating. Hopefully that breaks down for us. The gym is very far away, as you can see. Not far at all. Just a couple steps downstairs and I'll be at the gym. So we'll monitor this trade as we're in the gym. We got some alerts set, so if anything happens, alerts my phone. I have my phone on me, obviously, and we manage the trade from the gym. From the gym, I'm still sitting in this trade. I don't know if we have the juice to get it to my target, which would be 76.8. As you can see on the daily chart, that's the first really any level we have on CoreWeave. We have just a straight shot all the way down to IPO highs around $65 a share. I don't know if we have the juice today, but 76.08 is his daily low, this first daily low. So that'll be my very first target. We're still trending lower, as you could see. We're just making lower lows, or lower highs, I'm sorry. So we're in a downtrend overall. So I'm gonna continue to hold this trade unless we make a higher high, because there's really no reason to sell this right now. I want to point out how weak the market is, so that's definitely helping CoreWeave. As you can see, we broke all my levels so far. These boxes, green boxes, have now turned red, and we're below some pretty big supply still on the market. 6,900 on ES, and NQ is the really weak one here, where we failed that previous all-time highs, sitting around 25.3, 25.4. Failed at 25.5. That's the trade we caught, and it's just been weak, no juice at all. Rejected that 25.5, and it's currently sitting at low a day right now. So if this continues lower, it should help CoreWeave as well. We really have nothing but room until 24.8 here on NQ. ES, we have nothing but room to about 67.50. We'll see what happens with the market. It's getting a little extended at this point, but overall still weak. No buyers stepping up just yet. We could just have a trend day down, so hoping CoreWeave goes to our target still. Like I said, I hope that you guys, next update will either be me stopping out of the trade, swinging into tomorrow, or it hitting my target. So right now I'm gonna go make some food and make some lunch, and then get some work done, get some trade recaps done, stuff like that. Pick some profits off at 60% on CoreWeave. Just took that off. I'm holding one runner still, but ATR is a little bit lower than I wanted it to be today. Ideally, I wanted this to continue down, and we just consolidated for a long time. So taking some off the table. Stop super aggressively now. I want to see this thing just flush as we have this volume, and I just want to see us push lower immediately. I don't want to see more chop on the day. That's going to decay my cons even more. I just want to see us flush from here. So at this point, I'm keeping this 1 minute 9 EMA as my trail stop, which is this orange line you see here. I want to see us continue to reject this all the way down to 76. If we reclaim it, I will sell my runner. We're currently up 100%, as you can see right here, 42% on this other little small entry I got. So very nice trade, very nice trade. We'll see if this continues to go lower. Go ahead and sell this last contract at 100%. Take this one off at 40%, this little play around contract. So very nice trade there, 100% trade. We're forming a bullish engulfing on the 5, reclaim that 1 minute 9 EMA. Like I said, this could keep going. It chops around and then continues to go down. But I want to enjoy my day. I want to get off these charts. So no longer interested in. Got ES and NQ both in demand now. Super oversold as well. So I wouldn't be surprised if we get a little bit of a bounce here. Beautiful trade. Can't complain about 100%. On deck. She's whooping my ass in Farkle right now. To this office that we have in the building. I like working here. Nice get away from the bedroom. It's nice and quiet in here. I'm gonna hop on voice with my guy E. We're gonna go over the market, the day today, our trades, stuff like that. We're gonna review that. By the way, I want to show you guys the signal I called out on CRWV, the 60% trade we caught. I called it live to my Discord members. As you can see here, 946, loading crowd is in at 1.92, still in crowd, just consolidating. 25% you could trim if you want, trimming crowd at 60%. And then CRWV, I'm fully out here, 60% plus, depending on your entry. My guy RJ, the other admin in here, caught about 100% plus on his entry. So beautiful day today. We're gonna go over that. I'm in the office right now. It's about 2:52 p.m. And then after this, I'll probably be here for about an hour and a half. Work on a strategy video I've been putting together for my Discord members. Give them a full breakdown of our trading strategy, what they need to look for. I already have one in there, but I'm kind of revamping it, making it look better, updating it a bit based on market conditions, stuff like that. So that's what I'm doing for the next hour and a half. It's about 4:20. I just finished up in the office. Well, you call it office. On live with E. We went over the market, went over some long-term ideas, stuff like that. Wrote down some notes. Gonna drop my girl off at dance class, and then probably work on this strategy video I've been working on. We'll get that all ramped up. I know tomorrow I'm going into the city. We're gonna enjoy a nice day in the city tomorrow. I live right outside of Manhattan, so it's right there. So yeah, the rest of the day is gonna be pretty chill. A little bit more work, and then chill and get ready for tomorrow. So I did forget to give an update. It's now 8:10 p.m. I just finished up working on refining the trading strategy video that I sent to my members, and then my girl just got home, so I'm done for the night. It's about 8:10 p.m. I just went over some charts some more. I got some alerts set overnight just in case. NQ below 25,000 or above 25,290. Both could be good moves either way. Honestly, downside looks more interesting to me. I think we get more continuation if we do get a downside move. But either way we can bank. So got my alert set. Gonna call it a night, make some dinner, watch a movie with my girl, and we'll see what Friday brings.